So hello and good morning from Olympic National Park in Washington. Say hi, Grumpy.
Good morning, Grumpy.
Why are you so grumpy?
Because no parking.
So we are here today in the Hoh Rainforest. The Hoh Rainforest?
Not the whole rainforest, just part of it.
Show you. So right now we have a pretty hefty hike to the visitor center because that's where we always start, because gotta get the let's see if I can show you, walking stick medallions. These are just from past trips. Kind of shadowy. These are from past trips, and I don't have any from this long trip we've been on. So I think I have probably about another, what, 8, 10 to add on. So I'll show you whenever we get them added on. Maybe we can do that tonight. So here we go. So we spotted our first wildlife, which we have these at our campground too. But you ready? You ready? It's a banana slug. Isn't he gross looking? So we are about to do, first one is going to be, you can read it, the Hall of Mosses. Here we go. And yes, I say here we go a lot. Someone likes to point that out to me. Oh look, there's a fishy. He's really small. You see him?
Guppy. Maybe he's training to be a trout.
It's not very far, but it is really steep.
You haven't even started the trail.
I know.
So
I'm gonna die.
here we go. Here, picture of me for the tree.
Which tree? There's a lot of trees.
One right here. You were supposed to stay there.
Where?
Where you were.
Oh, that tree. This is Oak Grove. Very pretty. So we stopped to take some pictures because there's, let's see, the tree on the ground and the trees going out of the tree. How cool is that? It's tree. Tree?
Tree. Let people pass us. Okay.
spots so far.
I saw a tree.
Why? Why?
Look, I got Stephanie's tattoo. Look how real it is.
Okay, so we finished the Hall of Moss's loop. Came back to the Jeep for a second, had a snack, got us some much needed water, and now we are about to
Go on a almost 2-mile hike when I'm out of shape.
So we also ditched, if you noticed, the jackets. It's a little bit warm. And luckily we picked an awesome day to do this because as it's rained almost every day we've been here, it's not today. It's nice and sunny.
So yeah, I'm gonna go walk some more.
Okay, so about to start our next trail. We are headed to Spruce Trail. We'd like to do the whole river trail, but it's how long?
Too long.
How long?
15 miles?
I think it's 18.
13 miles? 18 miles.
One direction.
Too many miles. Ooh.
I see no fish. We did see the little babies in the other part of it.
Remember that time in Alaska we, looked in the river and saw all the dead salmon?
I don't remember seeing dead salmon. I remember seeing dying salmon.
Yeah. Oh man, we're going uphill again. I hear it. I hear water.
So you're talking about the bird.
I also hear a bird. I have a better chance of seeing the water.
Buck through bugs. So last night we're driving back from Port Angeles to Forks, right? And we went through the biggest swarm of bugs we've ever been through.
We used half a gallon of window washing fluid.
Because it was like it was raining bugs. It was so gross. So our trail goes that way, but I think we're gonna go that way. What do you think?
Yes, deviate.
So we've officially gone off trail trying to find our way back. So, pretty fun. This is the ground. Alex's feet.
Say hi, Alex.
Hey, Alex's feet.
There's our new little beach we found. We liked it better because there's nobody on it. So on my way back, I'll turn on the camera again because you can see something, you know? The inside camera? Yeah. Some perspective. So that is the roots to this fallen down tree right there. The cool part is how all those trees are growing on top of it. Super cool. So we just finished our day at the Hoh Rainforest section of Olympic National Park. What'd you think?
I think it's a lot warmer than 54 degrees.
It does feel very, very warm after two, not super strenuous hikes, but...
For fluffy people, those are strenuous hikes.
Oh, okay. But very pretty, highly recommend. The Hall of Mosses was fun, but pretty crowded. And then the, I can't remember the name of it. Spruce Trail. Nature Trail. That one, that was where it was at. Nice.
We finished it a lot faster because we weren't having to dodge around people near as much.
Or wait for them to pass.
Or wait for them to pass, or wait for them to take 50 pictures. So we had a really good time on that one. You do want to make sure you wear shoes that
Good
you
hiking
don't
boots.
mind getting dirty, because it is very muddy.
Lots of mud.
Lots and lots of mud. And the sign says no matter when you come, whether it's rained or not, it's muddy.
Step in the mud.
It's gonna be muddy. So wear shoes you don't mind getting dirty. We of course wore our trusty, very dirty now hiking boots. But yeah.
But still, no critters.
We saw a squirrel.
No real critters.
Yeah, no real critters, but that's okay because we had fun.
It was still very pretty, but no critters.
Yeah, but still love it here.
Very much.
So, bye!